In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert media files in Zamzar. We'll walk through a clear, beginner-friendly process so you can convert documents, images, audio, and videos right from your browser without installing anything. Start by opening your web browser and going to zamzar.com. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top navigation bar. Open the Converters dropdown. Here you can choose all converters to see the full list or jump straight into a specific category like document, image, audio, video, and more. If you already know what you're working with, picking the relevant category saves time. You'll also notice a utilities section with handy tools like compress files, image to text, and audio to text. Those are great when you need to shrink a file or extract text, but for this walkthrough, we'll focus on converting. I'm going to choose the document converter. Zamzar opens this in a new tab, which makes it easy to keep your original page open. On the converter page, click Choose Files to add a file from your computer. If your file isn't saved locally, click the small drop-down next to that button. You'll see options to pull a file from other sources, such as a web link or cloud storage. That's especially useful if your document is stored online or if you're sharing a link. After your file is attached, select the format you want to convert it to. Pick the format that matches how you plan to use the file, maybe a PDF for sharing, a docs for editing, or another supported type. A quick tip here, check the file's current extension and pick a compatible output format. Zamzar typically suggests appropriate options, but choosing a format that aligns with your needs helps preserve layout and readability. If you're satisfied and don't need any additional settings, click Convert Now. Zamzar will upload your file and begin processing it. The time this takes depends on your file size and your internet connection, so larger files may take longer. While it's working, keep the tab open to ensure the process runs smoothly. That's the whole workflow for converting media with Zamzar. You can repeat the same approach for images, audio, and video by choosing those categories from the Converters dropdown. The steps are consistent. Open the right converter, add your file, choose the output format, and start the conversion. For best results, give your files clear names before uploading, and if you're handling sensitive content, consider removing private details from the document's metadata beforehand. Thanks for watching. With this simple process, you can convert files quickly and confidently using Zamzar right in your browser.